Envision earning money while you sleep. But what if I told you most are doing it all wrong? Today, I'm revealing 6 affiliate marketing hacks that could turbocharge your income online, and if you miss out, you're leaving money on the table. This isn't just another advice video, it's your blueprint to financial success. Stick around, and I'll show you how to get there faster. Picture you have the ultimate product that can truly make a difference in people's lives. You're all set for affiliate marketing, but there's a catch: you're promoting it in a ghost town. That's right, if you're not choosing the right platforms for your affiliate marketing efforts, you essentially are marketing to empty seats. Choosing the correct platforms is not just about spreading the word, it's about spreading the word where your audience actually hangs out. Now think about blogs for a second. They are the hidden gems of detailed information. If your product is complex, needs thorough explanations, or appeals to an audience that loves to deep dive into content, blogs are your go-to. They allow for longer form content, giving you the room to explain the benefits of your product, share customer stories, and even incorporate multimedia elements to keep readers engaged. Moving on, there's social media, the bustling cities of the internet. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are perfect for products that have visual appeal, or if your target audience skews younger. Social media allows for creative, quick, and visually appealing promotions that can catch the eye of potential customers as they scroll through their feeds. And then there's YouTube, the television of the digital age. It's ideal for demonstrations and creating a personal connection. If your product benefits from being shown in action, or if you can create engaging content that entertains while it informs, YouTube can be a goldmine. But how do you know which platform is the right fit for your product and your audience? The key is understanding where your target demographic spends most of their time online and what type of content resonates with them the most. Do they like quick visual posts, or do they prefer deep diving into a topic? Are they looking for entertainment, or are they seeking informative content? Answering these questions will guide you to the right platforms. Choosing the right platform is like unlocking a new level in a game. It amplifies your reach, engages the right audience, and significantly boosts your affiliate marketing success. Are you ready to find your perfect platform match and revolutionize your affiliate marketing strategy? Imagine this: your website or blog is a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. But how do you guide people to it amidst the vast ocean of the internet? The answer is SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is like a compass pointing potential visitors directly to your site, but to make it work, you need to tune into some key strategies. First, think of keywords like secret codes. They should be words or phrases that people are likely searching for. So start by brainstorming what your potential visitors might type into Google when looking for content like yours. Once you have a list, incorporate these keywords naturally into your titles, headings, and throughout your content. Remember, stuffing your page with too many keywords can backfire. It's all about balance. Next, let's talk about making your website a welcoming place for visitors and search engines. This means ensuring your site is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and is secure. More and more people are using their phones to browse the internet, so if your site doesn't display well on mobile devices or takes ages to load, visitors will likely go elsewhere and search engines will take notice. Also, don't underestimate the power of quality content. It's not just about the quantity, but offering valuable information that answers your audience's questions. Engaging, well-researched content is more likely to get shared, increasing your visibility. Lastly, think of links as pathways that guide visitors and search engines through your site. Including internal links to other content on your site can help search engines understand and rank your content better. On the other hand, earning external links from reputable sites can boost your site's credibility in the eyes of search engines. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Crafting engaging content with multimedia like videos and infographics isn't just about catching attention. It's about drawing your audience deeper into your site, keeping them interested, clicking, and ultimately converting. Multimedia breaks down complex information into digestible bits, leaving viewers wanting more. For affiliate marketers or those aiming to monetize their online presence, it's not just about getting visitors, it's about getting clicks. Here's the kicker: Visually rich content doesn't just attract attention, it significantly boosts click-through rates. Visuals trigger emotions, making information relatable and easier to grasp. Pairing them with affiliate links offering solutions to viewers' needs makes clicking through almost natural. Furthermore, leveraging engaging content formats like tutorials, reviews, and how-to guides accompanied by relevant videos or infographics can subtly guide your audience toward those affiliate links without coming off as pushy. It's about creating value so compelling that your audience feels the affiliate links are enhancing their experience, not interrupting it. In today's digital era, honesty isn't merely a virtue, it's the foundation for building enduring connections with your audience. In affiliate marketing, transparency about your partnerships doesn't weaken your credibility, it fortifies it. Picture this: you discover a product that genuinely excites you, one you believe will enhance your life. Wouldn't you want to know if the person recommending it does so out of genuine enthusiasm or for a commission? That's the essence of transparency in affiliate marketing. Transparency fosters trust. When you openly disclose your affiliate ties, your audience recognizes that you're not solely motivated by profits. Instead, you're steering them toward products or services you've personally vetted and genuinely endorse. This level of candor transforms your recommendations into advice from a trusted confidant rather than a sales pitch, nurturing a more engaged and loyal community around your content. But there's more to it than just trust. Regulators worldwide are tightening the leash on undisclosed affiliate marketing. By being upfront, you're not only winning over your audience, but you're also staying on the right side of the law. Failing to disclose could mean hefty fines, not to mention a significant hit to your reputation. The question then isn't if you should disclose your affiliate partnerships, but how. The answer: seamlessly incorporate your disclosures into your content in a way that feels natural and genuine. Remember, a well-placed disclosure wrapped in honesty and the intent to add value can enhance your persuasive power rather than detract from it. Now, after understanding the undeniable value of transparency in affiliate marketing, consider this: have you come across an influencer or a content creator who handled disclosure in a way that made you respect them more? What impact did it have on your perception of their recommendations? Navigating trust in the digital realm can feel like maneuvering through a maze with a blindfold on. But fear not, there are straightforward strategies to light the path. Let's start with genuine reviews. Picture two restaurants before you. One boasts stellar reviews claiming celestial flavors, while the other showcases mixed but candid opinions, discussing both hits and misses. Which holds your trust? Precisely. Imperfect yet honest reviews resonate because they mirror genuine experiences. Next, we slide into the realm of comparisons. Ever found yourself bouncing between two products online, unable to decide? That's where comparisons shine. By providing a side-by-side look at the pros and cons based on real testing, you're not just helping your audience make a choice. You're guiding them through the decision-making process with a lantern in your hand, illuminating the path. We also can't ignore the golden strategy of solving problems with valuable content. Envision your audience is trying to learn a new skill, and you hand them the exact set of tools and knowledge they need, wrapped in simplicity. That's not just content, that's a lifeline. Each of these strategies weaves a thread of trust with your audience, but remember, trust is fragile. It takes time to build and can shatter in a moment. In today's digital world, the bond between content creators and their audience is crucial. Genuine reviews, product comparisons, and helpful content are powerful tools. Now imagine extending this trust-building approach to direct interactions like comments, social media, and newsletters. Engaging with your audience creates a vibrant community. Each comment is an invitation to a conversation. Responding, especially with personalized messages, makes your audience feel valued, turning passive viewers into active participants. Social media platforms extend beyond comments, providing a unique avenue for sharing behind-the-scenes moments, polls, or quick tips, fostering a closer bond with your followers by revealing the person behind the content. Here, engagement evolves into loyalty. Additionally, email newsletters serve as a potent tool, offering a direct channel to your devoted audience. More than just conveying updates or promotions, they deliver stories, insights, or exclusive content unavailable elsewhere, transforming casual viewers into staunch brand advocates.